Hello kids, let's draw with me. First I'm going to draw a book. Draw with me kids. Now I'm going to draw a cute little heart. Now I'm going to add some detailing in our book. Great, our book is ready. Now I'm going to draw a pencil. Now make two straight lines. Perfect. Now it's time to draw scissors. Great, our picture is ready. Now I'll add some detailing. Now it's time to color our picture. For our book, I am going to choose sea green color. For a cute little heart, I am going to choose pink color. Light green color. For pencil, I am going to choose red color. Orange color. Sky blue color. For scissors, I am going to choose blue color. Great, our picture is ready. Now I am going to add some detailing into our picture. Book, pencil, scissors. Great job, kids! If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.